Today, I have come up with these 5 books. Go through these 5 books and you see how wonderfully your English improves. Hello friends, so welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's video, I am going to share with you the name of 5 amazing books. I am sure you are in the process of learning English. I am sure that you want to improve your English communication skills and you want to improve your fluency, and hence you have to develop the habit of reading. So today I have come up with this wonderful video. In this video, I've got 5 books for you. These 5 books will tell you why you have to develop the habit of reading. And I'm sure if you start reading these books, your English will surely improve and you will develop the habit of reading books every day. Yes, my dear friends, reading books every day can bring a lot of changes in your life. Number 1 change, it will expand your knowledge and understanding. If you start reading books every day, at least for 10 minutes say, you will be able to improve your knowledge and your communication skill will become excellent. And yes, I would like to say that when I started reading books, I was never confident with myself. Reading books gave me that confidence. I have found personal growth within myself after I started reading books. And to those people who always remain stressed out, who always feel unhappy, reading books can do wonders in your life. Reading books can reduce stress and improve mental health. So I have come up with these 5 books. But before I tell you the name of the books, I'd like to ask you one question. Do you remain stressed up every day? Do you keep thinking the entire day? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment. One question I received few days back. One of my subscriber friend, he asked me, "Sir, can you give me one reason why we have to develop the habit of reading books?" So my dear friend, the one reason which I will tell you is, when you read books, it enhances knowledge, it boosts creativity and strengthens focus. Got it? Now let's begin with the first book. The first book which I would like to share with you is Who Stole the American Dreams? My dear friends, this is a new book which I purchased and I have read this book one time. After reading this book, I realized that yes, I also have to read books written by English writers. This is an excellent book. This book tells us that it is our right to stay happy. It is our right to earn more and more wealth, to get a good job. This book tells us about the financial freedom. So if you love money, if you want to become rich in life, please read this book. This book has easy to understand sentences and there are so many idioms and phrases which the native English speaker use. So I would like to tell you, if you want to sound like a native English speaker, read this book and pick up the words and phrases which are mentioned in this book. Use those things in your regular life and you see how your English sounds. This is the first book. The second book which I have is Make Your Life More Enjoyable. My dear friend, I am a peace lover. I always try to stay happy and healthy. And hence I picked up this book from a small shop in Shivaji Nagar. This book is wonderful. I will tell you, my dear friends, I'll close my eyes and I can tell you that you need to read this book. If you are learning English or if you're not learning English, for your general knowledge also, you can read these books because this book tells you how to stay healthy, how to stay happy, how to stay motivated in life. Let me read out 2 lines for you. Dreaming is a natural activity of the mind. We need not worry or give importance to what we see or experience in dreams. Whatever may be the contents of the dream, ultimately they help our mind to relax. See, it's so easy to understand, right? So my dear friend, if you want to improve your understanding skill when you read, go through this book. The third book which I have is The Journey to the East, a wonderful book by Herman Hesse. My dear friends, many of us, I know, you all like spirituality. You like to lead a peaceful life. You want to read about people who stay away from the society. How is their lifestyle? So you can go through this book. This book tells us about the journey to the East. This book tells us about how we can spend a very peaceful life, staying away from all the worries, all the problems of life. This book has so many easy to understand phrases. If you want to improve your grammar, you can read this book because You will be able to relate everything with your practical life, and at the same time, you will learn a lot of things. Let me read 2 lines from this book so that you understand. As I stood there and looked and tried to understand what I saw, I recalled a short conversation that I had once with Leo. He had talked about the creation of poetry being more vivid and real than the poets themselves. So what I did, my dear friend, I read the sentences loud and clear. So you should also develop this habit of reading loud and clear. When you read anything loud and clear, automatically those things goes inside your mind very easily, and you will be able to capture those things and remember those things. The next book which I have is The Secret Letters by Robin Sharma. My dear friend, I read this book 2 times. This book is very close to me. The Secret Letter by Robin Sharma is an inspiring story about self-discovery and personal growth. This book is simple to understand, motivational, and filled with life-changing lessons. You can improve your pronunciation very easily by reading this book. The only thing you need to keep in mind is that whenever you read, pronounce the word correctly. Suppose if I read something, Jonathan Landry is a man in trouble. After a bizarre encounter with his last relative, Julian Mantle, a former high-powered courtroom lawyer who suddenly vanished into the Himalayas, Jonathan is compelled to travel across the planet to collect the life-saving letters that carry the extraordinary secrets that Julian discovered. When you read this way, loud and clear, with a proper pronunciation, whenever you will have a conversation with others, you will be able to speak the same way, with the same accent. So my dear friend, develop the habit of reading. The final book which I have is called You Only Live Once. This is an eye-opening book. We all get busy with our life. We just don't give importance to the small things of life. We always think, tomorrow I will enjoy. Let me work today. In this way, we never get a chance to enjoy. So here in this book, it says something in a very unique way. 20 years later, 3 people are looking for you. One is dying to meet you again. The other wishes you have never met them. The third wished they would have met you at least once. This book tells you that you have to live your life to the fullest. Enjoy your life every moment and try to help more and more people. My dear friends, if you want to improve your English overall, please read this book. This book surely will help you to fall in love with reading. So today, I have come up with these 5 books. Go through these 5 books and you see how wonderfully your English improves. My dear friend, reading is a very beautiful habit. It is not only a habit, it builds your lifestyle. It changes you from inside. And yes, it can give you a lot of benefits. So this is all I have in today's video. If you like my videos, please do subscribe. I will see you again. Thank you.